All right. Let's go. English and Nigerian English. English, these are the way they are said in English, the way these are called in English, and the way these are called in Nigerian English. These are the way we call these in English, and the way we call these ones in Nigerian English. And let's go. The first one is nail polish. Nail polish. In Nigerian English, we call it cortex. Cortex. Dust pan. Packer. Biscuit bowl. Biscuit bowl. Sashi water. Sashi water. Pure water. Incomplete building. Uncompleted building. Unload. Offload. Cut shoes. Cover shoes. Knock knees. Now you tell me what we call knock knees in Nigerian English. Let's see the answers in the comment sections. Thank you.